5 everyday habits that secretly damage your health. Fearful face. Number 4 will shock you. You think you're healthy? Think again. These 5 daily habits silently destroy your body. The first one. Skipping breakfast. It affects your metabolism. The second one. Holding your urine for a long time. It harms your kidneys. The third. Overusing or misuse of painkillers. It damages your liver. Examples include paracetamol. The fourth habit. Constant screen time before bed. It ruins your sleep hormones and disrupts your sleep-wake cycle, and can later lead to insomnia. The fifth. Ignoring mild dehydration. It causes you fatigue and headaches. So stay hydrated always. Take care of your health. Stay healthy. Small changes leads to big health wins.